how to tag people on Instagram in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. And in this video I'm showing you how to tag people on Instagram with the already existing post on Instagram, and how to tag people on Instagram on the new post. So what you have to do to on the to tag people on already existing post on your profile is you have to click on the post that you want to tag people. You have to click on the three dots, and then you click on the edit. When you click on the edit, you can see the tag people here. So you can see the tag people. So here you in the bottom left corner, so you can see the tag people. You have to click on this. When you click on this, then here you have to type on the photo to tag people. When you click on this, then what you can do, you can search for the, you can type you can replace who is this to any place that you want. Then you can add the name of the username that you want to tag, and then you can click on the profile, and it is adding the profile, and it is added, and then click on the done, and then you have to again click on the done. And I have tagged the Instagram, I have tagged the Cristiano on this profile. So that's it. So for the already existing page, what existing, so for the new post you have to after choosing the post, what you can do after doing this thing, when you come to this page, and here you can see the tag people option. So you have to click on the tag people, and then you can again click on the photos, and then you can tag the people that you want, type the name, username, and then click on your profile, his profile, and here you can see it I have tagged these people, and then click on the done. And after that you can post this to your story, to after that you can post this post to the Instagram. So that's basically that how you can tag people on Instagram. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.